Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add Klarna to Google Pay. First, open the Klarna app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are signed in, look at the bottom menu and go to the Card or Wallet tab. Here you will find your virtual Klarna card. If you do not already have a virtual card, you will need to create a digital card for in-store use. Follow the instructions on the screen and wait for the card to be generated. Once the card is ready, you will see the card image displayed in the app. Directly below the card image, tap the Add to Google Pay button. The app will automatically redirect you to Google Pay. On the next screen, review your card information carefully. You may also need to accept the Google Pay terms and conditions. After confirming the details, tap Continue or Confirm to finish adding the card. Once the setup is complete, your Klarna virtual card will appear inside Google Pay, and you can start using it for contactless payments wherever Google Pay is accepted. You can also add the card manually through the Google Pay app. Thanks for watching.